Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into Gmail on a desktop browser because the search operators work best there. Once signed in, type size 5M or larger, 10M into the search box to surface emails over that threshold. This filters messages by total message size rather than just attachments. You do this now so you can quickly target space hogs. Remember to add has attachment if you only want mails with files. This first step narrows results so you can act efficiently. Once results appear, you open each email to inspect attachments and message content. Gmail shows attachment names and usually file sizes beside them so you know what's large. If sizes aren't visible, click Preview or download the file. The download dialog reports exact bytes. Make sure to refine searches using combinations like larger, 10M has, attachment or larger, 5M from, someone to locate specific senders or threads. Because narrowing limits, false positives, and speed. You finish by deleting or archiving the messages you identified, then go to Trash and choose Empty Trash now to actually reclaim storage. After that, check your Google account storage page to confirm space was freed. This helps you see the why behind each deletion. If the search operators don't return expected results, make sure you're on desktop, clear your browser cache, or use the Google One Storage Manager as a troubleshooting step. These fixes usually resolve index or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.